Okay, so in order to get the propeller up out of the water, I utilized a very sophisticated 3-rock system up front here. So we're going to go ahead and we'll turn it on and we'll see how it goes. So still the propeller is not high enough out of the water. Although, what this tells us is maybe we could use these computer fan motors instead of doing an air-powered boat like I was thinking. Maybe we could do like a paddle boat type of situation. Might be better. So anyway, we'll have to try another version in the future. But right now, here's what I got.